Welcome to DL Know-How, a video series helping you get the most out of your distributed learning tools. In this video, I will demonstrate how to create Dropbox folders in your course. So to start, we're going to click on the Assessment tab on the nav bar. Then we're going to click on the Dropbox link. So once we enter this screen here now, you'll notice there's nothing there. So we're going to create a new folder for an assignment 1. So I'm going to click on New Folder. And then under Folder Properties, I'm going to name my assignment. And you'll notice that there's different folder types. You can have an individual submission folder or a group submission folder. You can create categories for your Dropbox, or you can actually attach your Dropbox folder to a grade item. So what happens here is if you attach the Dropbox folder to your grade item, when you correct your assignment in the Dropbox, it'll actually pull the grade into the grade book for you. And then we're going to have the mark out of 100. So we're going to mark the student out of 100. There's an option here to create a rubric. And then there's an option here for you to actually enter the instructions for your assignment. So any instructions that you have, you would enter here. As you scroll down, you'll notice that there's an option there to add a file. So if you want to add the actual assignment file here, you can do that. So I'm going to click on Add a File and Upload. And then I'm going to go and attach assignment 1. Click Open, then Add. Now my actual assignment file is here for the students to see. I'm going to scroll up now and I'm going to click on Restrictions. So here's where you actually set the availability for the students. So where they actually enter the start and end date. So I'm going to click on Start Date, and I'm going to have it for 9 a.m. today. And then the end date, I'm going to have a week from now at 4 p.m. Now you'll notice here there's an option for special access. Sometimes in your assignment you may need to give students extra time to complete their assignment. So here's where you can actually extend that for a specific student. So I'm going to click on Add Users to Special Access. So I've decided that this student 2 here, who I'm going to select, is going to be given 2 extra days for the assignment. So I'm going to choose June 2nd and then save. So now you'll notice that under the special access, the student has an extra couple days to submit their assignment. So I'm going to go up now and I'm going to click Save and Close. So now you'll notice that I'm back to my Dropbox folder, main page. The category here is the actual assignment that we've just created. The total files shows you the number of files that the students have submitted. The unread files are the files that you haven't opened yet in the Dropbox. There's an option for flagging files, and then it shows the actual due date for the assignment right here. Now sometimes when you create your Dropbox folder, you may need to go back after and edit or make any changes. So to do this, the drop-down arrow next to the assignment name, you're going to click on that and click Edit Folder. This takes you back into the Edit Folder screen, and you can go in and make any changes that you need to make. Then Save and Close. So now I'm going to just go in now and actually show you what the student would see from their perspective. So I'm going to click on my name, the drop-down arrow next to my name, click View as a Student, and then I'm going to go to Assessments and Dropbox. So once the student enters here, they'll be able to click the link for assignment 1. And again, it'll show them the instructions for the assignment, the start and end date, and then the attachment for their assignment is here. So then the student has the ability to add their files and then submit them to you, the instructor. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any further questions on how to use the Dropbox folder, please do not hesitate to contact the Distributed Learning Help Desk or myself. Bye for now.